Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coil of your Vauxhall Tigra. Open the car hood, and if you're standing in front of your car, you are going to see the engine. First step, remove the engine cover. Easy going, as you can see. And now, there it is, the ignition part of your engine with the ignition coil on top, and behind this are the sparkling plugs. But we are going to untighten the two top screws of the sparkling plug holding system. So this is the ignition coil. The ignition coil is in one part, and it runs over the head of your engine. So extract the two screws, and then it's time to unplug the ignition coil. First step, unlock it and then extract the plug. Easy going, as you can see. Good job. So let's have a look again. The ignition coil is a little bit hard to disassemble. You have to shake, you have to rotate it a little bit, go up and down and shake, and until a little time you have the ignition coil in your hands. Good job. There are the sparkling plugs, but this is not the case. So let's take a new one, push it back in position. Yeah, good job. Push a little bit on top. Good job. Locked. Now it's time to reassemble this. For this, plug in the AC adapter. That was funny. The power plug first, and then it's time for the bolts. Push the two bolts back in position and rotate it clockwise until it's tightened handwise, and then use your socket branch with not so much pressure, only rotate it one turn maybe. That's enough. And after this you have to reassemble the cover again, and that it is how to replace your ignition coil. So easy going. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time, maybe soon.